Hello lovelies, welcome to my March 2018 glam bag review. So, products that I got. Ooh, oh no. No, crap. I think the eyeshadow is broken. I did get the green one that I wanted, but crap. Let me open it and see. Yeah, so I can't really fully show you, but basically it looks like that. It's totally crushed. It was not in the plastic casing, and I will be contacting them about that, but still gonna give you a swatch anyway. Okay. So, oh boy, this is getting everywhere. Ooh. It's a nice bright pigmented green. It's supposed to be a cream too. It's an Envy, and it is spilling everywhere. That's disappointing. Okay, so this month's theme is create. So basically the theme is like turning your world into a work of art. Thing in here. So I actually love that this comes with markers. Like, so much fun. I'm worried that I might screw it up a little bit, but you know what? It'll be fun to do anyway. So I got the Glossier Mint Balm.com. It's a universal skin salve, and I'm just gonna squeeze some out onto the back of my hand. It's clear. So it feels kind of like a lip balm. Got that same like creamy texture. Smells lovely though. Oh. Okay, so it's not just for your lips. This multitasking magic balm can also be used in a million other ways in a pinch. Think skin salve and cuticle cream. Okay, so next I have this City Colors Glow Duo. So there's a cream and a powder highlight. So I'm going to swatch these. It is cruelty free. So the cream one feels very nice. It's a very subtle highlight though. Just like, yeah. Definitely seems to be buildable though. So that's the cream. And then the powder one almost might be too dark for me. Oh yeah, that's way too dark. But look good as an eyeshadow, I guess. We have this Sex Kitten liner from Tarte. It's a kind of like a pencil, but not, more of a cream. So it's pretty black. Definitely you can blend it out. So it feels quite nice when it's going on, and looks pretty good. Ooh. This is wiping right away though, but that might be because of the lip balm. Let me try it on my other hand. Okay, so Ipsy did say that this is waterproof. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to say that the lip balm definitely made that one smear on my other hand. It doesn't seem to be really smudging too much. I mean, a little bit, but not bad for what I would expect from basically like a eyeliner pencil. So I'm just gonna see if it's actually waterproof. I have some water in a spray bottle. Just spray it on. Yeah, that is quite waterproof. Okay, so let's put these two on. So I'm gonna use the cream color just to highlight, and then I'm gonna try and put this on as just my eyeliner. So it is a little bit difficult to put on. It's not like running across in a very smooth line, which is kind of irritating. Looks pretty black though. Oh no! Oh crap. Well, so this just broke off, so it's very stiff. Ooh, I do not really like this. That was like half of the product too. Okay, so I put the highlighter on. It is very subtle, not like a super bright blinding. I mean, on my nose it actually looks a bit brighter, but there's like no way I'm gonna be able to use that other color as a highlighter. Look ridiculous. And then finally we have this facial detox solution, which is for problem oily plus acne prone skin. So I get a little bit of acne, but I'm not oily. My skin is actually quite dry. Okay, so this purifying mask effectively draws out bacteria and pore clogging debris, revealing clearer, blemish-free skin. So, oh, there's a little seal on it. It's good. So it's blue, bluish, greenish. Feels quite nice. So it smells faintly of like a patch that you would wear when you were sick, to like help clear your nose out, but it's not too strong. Doesn't seem to be reacting with my skin either, which is good. So, okay, so I used the facial detox balm just around my chin area where I normally get some hormonal acne, and it seemed to work okay. You can't really see it on camera, but I do have some acne right there, and it seems like it went down a little bit. It's not like a miracle cure, but it did seem to work quite well. And then I took off my lipstick and put on this Glossier balm, and it seemed to do a pretty good job of moisturizing. Obviously my lipstick stained a little bit, but it seemed to work quite well. So these two products definitely work. Again, not miracle cures, but they definitely work quite well. So that was my March glam bag. Really only maybe like these three. Not super pleased just because the eyeshadow broke. It wasn't the color that I wanted, and I will be contacting them to get a new one. Still just kind of disappointing. And that this broke as well, like it's very hard to use. So yeah. But other than that, I really like the idea of creating your own glam bag and just being able to draw on it. And these two seem quite nice. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.